This video will show you how to work with student accounts. We'll edit an account, move a student into a new class, and add them to a second class. First, click Admin, and then Classes. Click the class that the student is registered in to see the list populate to the right. To edit the student's account information, click the pencil icon and erase any of the information that's here and type back over it. If you'd like to change the class that the student is listed in, click Change or Add Class, and here you'll move the student into and out of classes. I can take the student out of my first period class and put them in the fourth and fifth period. I can add them only to third period, or any combination of classes that are listed. When I'm satisfied with my changes, I'll click the check mark, and I'll see the classes that the student is rostered in now. This student will appear on each of the class rosters that are listed here. Any assignments for these class periods will be given to this student, and this student's data will show up in all of these class periods as well. To add a new student, click New Student, and then enter their information below. If you would like to delete a student from your class, click the pencil icon and then click the bin icon. Press delete to confirm, and that student is now archived. Please contact us at support@mangahigh.com if we can help you modify student accounts or add them to different classes.